Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can make manga lines in Photoshop. So first, what you want to do is you need to go to your gradient here, click on it, and then now you're here, you need to change this into angle gradient. Alright, now click on this, make it noise, and make the roughness 100%. Now click OK. Now you can just click the center and drag it all the way to the edge. Alright, now let's drag this. Go to image, adjustments, and change it to threshold. Alright, now you can just modify and tweak this to find the best for you. Alright, I guess this is good for me. I'm just gonna click OK. Alright. So now you have your own manga lines. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.